What drew me to data science was the sort of mathematical underpinning of it. How much more depth there is, how much more you can do with these numbers. If you think of a telescope or a microscope, these are things that extend our senses. They allow us to see what we would not normally be able to see. And I think data science is the same thing.
It's very fascinating, and it's kind of bring a little bit challenge to my mind how data intertwine with our daily activities. Have you ever liked to solve a problem in your own way? Then data science is a good way to just put your knowledge into good use, because data science involves critical thinking and solving the problem in your own way.
Data science is the future. I see that every company is needed, and if you see any news, anything on television, on computer or anything, is about data, the data management.
Data science, it's this intersectionality of math and computer science that we're finding is our way of utilizing massive amounts of data to find correlations and phenomena that we couldn't have seen otherwise. It's just a brand new field in and of itself. Not to mention the potential job opportunities that fall with it. It's a novel way of looking at the world in a way we haven't seen before.
What makes me passionate about data science is trying to deal with the unknown. So we need to know what is it that comprises the data, from very simple concepts to abstract generalizations of that data. So at St. Paul College, you can expect in the data science program to learn the nuts and bolts of data science.
So you need to know how to clean the data, how to organize the data, how to put the data together and do some analysis to help the people make decisions. We have a small class size here at St. Paul College, and the students come here and they need not only learn the skill they need, but also they have a special support from the faculty. Here we have a very personal coaching, personal tutoring, so it's a really good program.
Looking at the job market right now for data science, it's really robust and open. There's a lot of opportunities to grow in there. So coming to school for data science and computer science is something that I'm looking to get a job from those fields and also help myself grow in the future.
What drew me to St. Paul College was they have a dedicated data science program where they've sort of curated, these are the math courses that you'll need, these are the computer courses that you'll need. Here you can cover all your bases for the skills that you need, and that's something that you just won't get if you go to a different school that doesn't have a dedicated program.
We're now living in the information age, and the world is still full of problems, and I'd like to see more people solving those problems. And we can use a tool like data science to tease through all the data that we have to help solve these problems. And it can begin here.